Are you making this common mistake? Thinking in your native language and then translating into English. This is where you are slowing down your English fluency. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, you need to train your brain to think in English. In this video, I'm going to explain you that why it's important, and I will share some simple ways to think in English so that you start doing it today. So the first topic is describe everything around you. Look at your surroundings and describe them in English. I am sitting on the chair. The child is playing with the ball. My phone is on the table. This is a very simple and a very effective trick of thinking in English. So start thinking in English and see the difference in your fluency. Now the second point is talk to yourself in English. Talk to yourself in English throughout the day. This is the best way of learning English, talking with yourself. When you see there is no one around, talk to yourself. Have short conversation with yourself. Whatever you are doing, like I am cleaning the house or I am reading book. So whatever you are doing and thinking, you just start thinking in English and do short conversation in your mind to yourself. So start talking to yourself in English in your mind. It builds confidence and reduces hesitation. So the next topic is think in simple English. So start thinking in simple English. Don't try to think in long complex sentences. For example, you can say I am hungry or I need food. I'm going outside for a walk. So the next point is review your day in English. Reviewing your day helps you think naturally in English and make English the part of your daily life. Every night, take just 2 minutes to review your day in English. Don't worry about making mistakes. This simple trick will help you. It will train your brain to start directly thinking in English. Now the last point is start naming everything around you. Whatever you see around you, you start naming it, like table, chair, pencil, pen, flower pot, books, computer, whatever is there around you, you start naming them. These are very simple tricks, but very, very effective. You start describing your surroundings, you start describing the object around you, start describing your day, start thinking in your mind, start planning in your mind, and you will see a massive change in your English fluency very soon. Because whenever you see there is no one around you, you feel stuck. You think that I don't have any environment, I don't have any speaking partner. So these are very simple tricks. And I promise you that when you will practice these 5 simple tricks every day, you will notice a real difference in your speaking skills and in your confidence. Thank you so much, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe my channel because every day I'm bringing new content for you to help you to start speaking in English fluently.